Welcome back to Cyber Hero. Today in this video we're going to discuss network security fundamentals. So let's begin what we are going to see here. Introduction part, goals of network security, common network threats, network security devices and so on, and last we will summarize this video and some best practices. So let's begin without wasting any time. I hope it's clear, it's visible. Introduction first. Network security protects computer networks from unauthorized access, misuse, or attacks. So it ensures CI trade. If you're not aware of this CI trade, I have made a video on this. You can go and check that. C stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Networking security involves hardware, software, policies, and practices. So this was about introduction. Now let's say some goals of network security. What are the goals? First one is confidentiality, which ensures like protecting data from unauthorized access. Then integrity, ensuring data is not tampered with. Then availability, keeping systems accessible to authorized users. So other things we can see here, authentication and confirming user identity. Then non-repetition, preventing denial of action performed. Then we are going to some common network threats. First one is DOS, denial of service. What is it? Flooding a system to make unavailable. Consider a DOS attack like this. Sometimes I will give an example of college university website. When result is out, almost every student is trying to log in and check their result. That time is it's called that DOS attack. It's not actually everyone tries for it, but actually everyone tries to know their result. Many users tries to access that site at the same time. So it works like an DOS attack. That's called DOS attack. Then man in the middle attack. I have made a video on these attacks and threats, management, phishing, spoofing, packet sniffing, malware. We can go and check these in details. So these were the common network threats. Then let's move next. Network security devices. What are the security devices? Firewalls, IDS, IPS, VPNs, UTM, proxy servers. Again, I have made a detailed video on this. First one is firewalls. What they do? Blockers are allow traffic based on rules. Then IDIPS detects and prevents suspicious network activities. What does VPN do? It encrypts traffic between users and network. UTM combines antivirus, firewall, intrusion detection, then proxy servers. Let's move next. Secure network design principle. So here you can see this diagram. I hope it is visible. If it is not visible, let me recap for it. First one is least privilege. We have to restrict the user access to only what is necessary. Then we have segmentation for network. We go for this network segmentation where we use VLANs to isolate sensitive zones. Then defense in depth, layered protection using multiple tools. Then redundancy, backup systems to ensure availability. Then logging, monitor and analyze network activity. Then secure network protocol. What are these protocols? HTTPS, secure web communication. If we see SSH, secure shell access for remote servers, SNMP 3 SSL TLS, IPsec, SFTP, secure file transport over SSH. Network segmentation and access control. First, if you see segmentation, isolated parts of network to prevent breaches. Use VLANs and firewalls for traffic separation. Then the third setup is here. Access controllers list, SALS, or as it defines who can access what. Then fourth one, network access control, NAC, ensures only component and devices connectors. I am making these videos short. If you want a detailed video on any topic, if you are not getting any topic, please tell me in comment section. I will go for that and make a separate video for that topic. No worries. Over here I am just giving an overview and trying to fast for you. Then we will go for wireless network security. How can we achieve it? Use WPA3 encryption for Wi-Fi. If you don't have WPA3, go for WPA2. Disable SSID broadcasting when possible. MAC filtering restricted unauthorized devices. Change default to root or conditional regularly. Avoid public Wi-Fi for sensitive activity. Then popular network security tools. Wireshark. Then SNORT, how you pronounce it is up to you. SNOT or not simply. Then OpenVPN, Nmap, pfSenses. These are some popular tools for security and network security. I will go through them. I will make a dedicated video for every tool. Please let me know in comment section. That's some best practices what we can do. Regularly update device firmware and software. Use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Conduct vulnerability scans and penetration testing. Monitor network traffic continuously. Backup configuration and important data. Let's summarize this video. Network security is essential to protect information and infrastructure. It uses tools, device, and best practice to reduce risk. Continuous monitoring and updates are the key long-term protection. If you learned something new today, please hit that subscribe button and share this video as you can. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care.